Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the game mode on your PlayStation 5 so you get reduced latency with your controller. So to turn this on, we want to go up to the top to settings, select this, scroll on down to where it says screen and video. Then go to the right and go on down. And we want to go to the option called auto low latency mode. Now if you turn this on, it's going to lower the latency from what's happening with your controller's inputs to what's going on the screen. There's going to be a less of a delay overall. So you might go to automatic with this setting, but it still says it's not supported. Well, it may not be supported on the PlayStation 5 with your TV, but your TV might still have a game mode feature on your LG TV, your Amazon Fire TV, something like that. So just press settings and check this. And on my LG TV, you can see I have the frames per second, the resolution, all showing up on here because game mode is turned on. So we can just go to all settings. And you might have to go to picture mode or under general, check under those. And then I have HDR select mode. And you can see I have game optimizer turned on. So it might not be directly called game mode, might be something different. And then you should be good to go. Now if you go back to your PlayStation 5, another way that you could reduce the latency is if we use a cable connected to our controller, but there is a setting you need to switch over, otherwise it's still going to be connected to Bluetooth. So let's go to accessories, go to controller, go to communication method, and switch this over to USB. It says select how your controller communicates with your PS5 when it's connected. Now if you still have it selected USB, even though you have your cable connected, it's still going to be connected using using Bluetooth. So you need to switch it over, otherwise it's not going to be connecting with that method. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.